It all starts with the iconic South Indian filter, the heart of every great brew. Next, fresh coffee grounds smell of rain, bold, rich, and aromatic. 3 spoons, just the right amount for a strong, flavorful decoction. Now the magic begins as hot boiling water meets the coffee, slowly unlocking its deep flavors. Patience is key because great things take time to brew. And of course, the Dabra set, ready for that perfect pour. Sugar? Well, as much or as little as you like. The decoction drips rich and intense, making every second worth the wait. And finally, the finishing touch, hot, frothy milk poured to perfection and mixed with love. Now for the classic move, and you are all set to experience the perfect South Indian filter coffee. Sip, savor, and enjoy the magic.